Welcome to our Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, meaning the best of the best in area. There has been a big controversy over why Vybz Kartel was not nominated in the YVA Awards. According to their rules, you have to be physically there in order to be nominated.
But last year, the man did nominate and he... Anyways.
So 2 weeks ago, Shaneo was crowned breakout, aka comeback artist for Gwaan Dancehall's recap of 2017. But he's also made it to #1 on these charts for his hit single.
Right now I want a meal for share with me, I'm a friend and... Let me just play the song so you can't hear it.
Right now I want a meal for share with me, I'm a friend and friend and friend and I agree with the kick. I see the no man happy and the stress them gone. I feel me treat them all the best them not. God bless them.
Ishawna's song Equal Rights and Justice is getting some people in trouble, okay? I'm sure says some people seen the video. I will not post that here. But he has publicly apologized because the man is married. Here's that video.
You see, my people, I was not thinking about my wife. Real meds, I come work and confess. I was thinking about myself. Because regardless of the fucking enough, me get the big boss of fight, you know, guess what? And me and she, I get the reward of fight, but regardless of that, put aside, it's the shame that I cause upon her. The shame I cause upon her and her family.
The unruly sour sop hairstyle Popcaan is gonna be in a movie. Yes, a movie called Intent 2. We're not sure when it's set to be released, but this will be a major role for Popcaan. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment. Although Gwaan Dancehall speaks about dancehall and its updates, we also are concerned with every part of the Caribbean community, and there's a serious concern. According to Follow Soca, Soca is not considered a genre on Apple Music. Why? We are not sure, but many other Soca songs are not categorized properly. What you can do to help is tag Apple Music under Follow Soca to get their attention so they can make sure that Soca is considered a genre, because yes, we love dancehall, but we love Soca and calypso and reggae all the same way. So make sure you go do that.